Alright guys, today I'm going to be picking this best padlock. It's a long shackle, WC Keyway, yeah. I'll go ahead and show you guys the key bitting, get that out of the way. Maybe. I don't want to drop anything. Let's see, this is going to be the control key. You guys can see that. So there's the bitting for the control key. And this is going to be the operator key. Yeah. Hopefully you guys can see that. So there's the key bitting. And hopefully I get this padlock. I'm going to turn the camera. Apologize. Try to move the camera down just a little bit more. Sorry about that. Hopefully I get this padlock picked to control quickly. Or within a timely fashion. So here we go. I'm going to go in here and I'm using my Southward Max gray handle picks. I'm going to go here, go in this lock, go in the keyway and try to set the first pin. And that will normally set the stage for this lock. The first pin is the binding pin. Got him. Now I'm just going to go through the keyway, gently rock, press up and look for more binding pins. Need to lighten up on my tension just a little bit. There's one. Trying to get to the back of the keyway. There we go. Another one. Start bringing my pick back out. Trying to catch some more pins on the way out. I'm gonna go back in now. Lock's kind of gummy inside. They need to be flushed out with some cleaner. Feels like there's a lot of gunk in it. Just going through here, finding pins, pushing them up. This lock does have security pins in it, so hopefully I won't get it into a false set. I normally have a little bit of trouble once I do get them into a false set because the lock's kind of gummy. Hopefully it'll just drop into control like it normally does, but I don't think that's going to happen. Actually, it feels like I got them in a false set right now. I think the keyway's just turned slightly. Gently pushing up. Maybe not gently. Getting a lot of pins set here. So hopefully we're making some progress. Hopefully this will open up. Looks like all my pins are set. Oh, one keeps dropping back down. Let's see. Okay. Going to the back of the keyway now. Working my way back out. To the front. Okay, got that first pin. Okay, there it is. Was not applying enough tension on my tension wrench. Got him picked to control. Yeah, glad I got this on camera. There it is, picked to control, 7 pins. Hopefully you can see all the chambers are filled. Like I said, this lock does have security pins in it. So there it is. I'm not going to open the lock, the shackle sticks quite a bit. There it is, picked to control. I'm very happy to get this on camera. Again, that was the WC Keyway for best. Yeah, I think Bosnianbill just did his. So figured try to get this lock out. He sent it to me a while back. Figured try to knock it out and get it picked to control also. Very, very cool. Very, very happy to get this on camera. So yeah, just leave it turned. Makes me feel good. But as always, thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have a good one.